Welcome everyone to our Harrison Hot Springs Dance and Spa Retreat. My name is Ari Levitt with Worldwide Dance Adventures, or Roll Up the Rug.
And I'm Sharon Siebel of SharonSiebelDance.com.
And we did a wonderful blending of elements that you could do in tango as applied to other dance styles. We talked about how I would lead my partner from weight changes, also into rotating my partner either forward or back. And we talked about the follow being empowered. Remember, we did a lot of exercises. My translation, or the weight change, is separate from the rotation. So I could take my partner and translate weight, she'll collect. I could rotate in any direction, and I could continue to translate weight. I could do it by rotating my body, sending my partner here. I could rotate my body. Good, excellent. I could rotate and swivel. I could swivel again. I could swivel again. I could take my partner in any direction. Maybe I'll go back this time, or I'll go forward this time, or maybe I'll go out. Right. So I have those decisions at any moment, understanding where my partner's axis is and where their weight is. And follows what you don't want to do is anticipate when we start to take steps or change weight when you haven't been shifted to the other foot. So that it won't be as helpful. And then we did a little variation where I'm taking my partner in a circle around me. I'm balancing my partner onto the left foot. I bring my partner to a backward grapevine, back, side, and forward. Once my partner lands on an inside foot, the right foot, I can take that opportunity to swivel my partner, do an Osho. Once my partner swiveled, I can invite my partner back forward, and then collecting, and I can take that step with my partner. Leads don't have to take steps. I'm always follow through this movement. We added a little bit of rocking steps to it, so it's rock forward, back, start to rotate for the leads. That's the prep. Rock forward, back, rotate. Now when my partner's on the left foot, she has momentum to go behind, side, forward. Oh, okay. So it's rocking, rock, rock. I start to rotate. My partner's here, I can do grapevines. So this is really a lovely and very legitimate way of dancing with your partner. I'll do that again, rock and forward. I start to rotate. My partner then does grapevine behind, side, forward, swivel, and I collect at the end. And what we added to this was the ronde, which is where the lead can displace my follow's right foot and really create that sweep of the foot that we love. I'm doing the rock forward. I bring my partner closer to me as I start to rotate, so my partner's now in this more connected position. As a lead, I don't kick my foot, I take my weight and put it back on my right foot. And that is what displaces or pushes my partner's thigh around and follows. You let that leg sweep all the way around until it reaches the end of its rotation, which is going to bump against your thigh. And then from there, I can lead my partner into the grapevine and come around to the exit. So with the ronde, 1, 2, rotate, ronde, boom, 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 and then we're back. Good. And we applied this to a variety of different dances. Obviously, you can do this in tango or blues, since they're both very slow. But we could do it in swing dancing. All I have to do is do any kind of move where I fold across my partner like a pivot. Boom, 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 and back to swing. We did it in nightclub two-step or salsa, going quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Right turns, I fold across my partner, sweep the leg, boom, 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 boom. I wait for my partner to collect, and then I'm back to my nightclub two-step. Salsa would be very similar, going quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, sweep, boom, 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 boom. Bring my partner back in that foot. West Coast swing has a very natural whip turn moment where we do pass in front of our partner. So our West Coast swing would be 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. 5, doom, 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 doom. Maybe I'll take my partner out this way. Nice. Waltzing. Waltzing also has a pivot moment where I'm going to go twinkle 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, doom, doom, doom. I can bring my partner down the line, or I can cut you. We'll go back this way. I could have kept you with me the entire time. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Doom, 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 doom. So I can just continue my waltz. Think of any other dance you want to do and apply it. Really, really fun elements. So deconstruct the video, have a moment to break it down, practice it, and come back next year, and we'll see you on. Thank you.